Hi students, today's class let us see some more problems of arithmetic progression, that is AP. Look at second problem first. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP whose first term is 3 and the last term is 60. First term is 3 and last term is 60. Last term means what? Which term it is? 20th term, right? 20th term is 60. 20th term is 60. What is the 20th term actually? A plus 19D. I told you already. Actually, what is the 20th term of AP? A plus 19D. Okay. So, what is A here? 3 plus 19D equal to 60. 19D equal to 60 minus 3. 19D equal to 57. D equal to 57 by 19. 19 threes. So D value also 3. Now they asked to find the sum of first 20 terms. What is the sum to n terms of an AP? N by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now I want the sum to 20 terms of an AP. S20 equal to n by 2 means 20 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a value 3 plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 into d value 3. Here 2 tens cancel, 10 into 2 threes are 6 plus 19 threes 57. 57 plus 6. 57 plus 6. 63. Right? 63 into 10 how much? 630. Therefore, sum to 20 terms of AP is 630. So here what is given actually? Here what is given actually? Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP whose first term is 3. First term is given and the last term is 60. If there is 20 terms in the AP, what would be the last term? 20th term. 20th term means we know that Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T20 means a plus 19d. It is given 60. So I got d value 3. Now find out sum to 20 terms of an AP. S20 equal to 630. Okay? That is the end of solution. Look at the first problem. In first problem, find the sum of all the multiples of 7 lying between 300 and 700. Between 300 and 700, right? First one solution. Multiples of 7 lying between 300 and 700 are start from 301, right? 7 fours are 28. Yes, 301 multiple of 7. Add 7, so 308. 315, so on. Last multiple of 7 is 693. 693, is that right? See once divide. 6 nines are 54. 54 means sorry 7 no. 7 nines are 63. 7 9s are 63, right? Multiple of 3, right? Excuse me. So 693 is the last multiple of 7 between 300 and 700. So this is the last term or nth term. I told you. What is the first term? First term of AP 301. Find out common difference. What is common difference? D equal to T2 minus T1. 308 minus 301, that is 7. Also, we are given that last term, right? Last term Tn equal to 693. But as per the formula, what is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 693. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 693. But A value how much? 301 plus n minus 1 into D value. What is the D value here? 7 equal to 693. Send 301 that side. N minus 1 into 7 equal to 693 minus 301. So n minus 1 into 7 equal to 293. So n minus 1 equal to 392 by 7 into 7 will be by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. So n equal to 56 plus 1, 57. So how many multiples of 7 are there between 300 and 700? 57 multiples of 7 are there. Okay, now I would like to find the sum of all those 57 multiples of 7 between 300 and 700. Now, sum of 57 terms. Sum of 57 terms. Yes, 57 equal to actual formula n by 2 into a plus l I can write directly. Why? Because we are given last term. We need not use n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Since the last term is given in the progression, we can use directly this formula. So n in the place of n write 57 by 2. First term is 301 plus last term is 693. So 57 upon 2 into this will be 499. 2 4s 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14. So 497 into 57. 497 into 57 multiply. Two 28329. 28329. Okay, so what is the sum of all the multiples of 7 between 300 and 700? That is 28,329. Okay, let us see the last problem, third question. So write the therefore step there. N by 2 of a plus l you can use directly. Okay. Now third question, important problem. Given AP is 24, 21, 18, so on. Also, Sn is given. Sum to n terms is given there. You should find the value of n. How many terms are to be added to get the sum as 78. What is the first term here? First term A equal to 24. Common difference D equal to T2 minus T1. 21 minus 24 minus 3. We have sum to n terms. Sn equal to formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the formula to find sum to n terms of NAP? N by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, n means as it is 2 into a value 24 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 3 equal to how much? 78. Okay, n by 2 into 48 minus 3n plus 3. (51) minus 3n 78. This 2 send that side. 51n 3n square with n I am multiplying. 78 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. So send these two terms also that side. 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of n. Take 3 common. N square minus 3 17s, 3 5s, 3 2s. Okay. N square minus 17n plus 52 equal to 0. You know how to factorize this. It is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in terms of n. So 13 fours can I take? 52. To get minus 17, what symbol you must give? Minus 13 minus 4. So you will get n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52. Take n common. Minus 4 common. So n minus 13 into. So n equal to 13, n equal to 4. Therefore, number of terms, how many terms to be added here? Either 13 terms or 4 terms. So n value 4 or 13. Both can be there because some negative terms also will be there, somewhere 0 also will be there. So sum of 13 terms or 4 terms would be 78. Okay, note down. Some more problems we will see in the next class. Thank you.